Hello guys. If you are tired of running out of Family Island rubies or energy, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to get unlimited rubies. Whether you're using an iPhone, Android, or tablet, this method will work for everyone. So let's start getting them. First, we will go to this website, getvgame.com, the link in the first comment. Then select Family Island. This is the tool that we are using to claim the rubies. So, we will type our game username, as you see on my game. Then we'll select a device. For me, I will select an Android. After that, click Connect. Now it says to choose the amount we want. I will select 200 rubies. Then the energy, here I will select 500, you can choose any pack. So it says that we have to unlock our items manually, so click Unlock Now. So it seems that my rubies have been unlocked. Let's open the game and check them. This is the exact amount of rubies and energy that we chose earlier, and I can spend it without problems. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share it with your friends. That's it for this video. Bye!